Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So enjoy video. Today we will talk about decorative garden decoration areas. Using bottle. Empty bottles are useful thrown away, but with a little imagination, then they can become beautiful garden decor. Bottle crafts are budget friendly and fun to make. This first idea is water planter. Cut a plastic bottle in half, fill it with soil and plants flowers or herbs inside. You can hang this bottle planter on your garden wall or place them on the ground. Paint them with bright color to make your garden more lively. The second idea is hanging bottle garden. Take glass or plastic bottle, cut an opening on the side and plant small plants like succulents or wings. Tie them with rope or wire and hang them on a tree or fence. They look very creative and save space. Another idea is bottle lights. Put fairy lights inside glass bottles and place them around your garden. At night, the bottle will glow like lanterns, giving your garden a magical look. You can also make a bottle. Collect plastic bottles, fill them with sand or soil and place them upside down in the ground to make a colorful borders around flowers beds. This is an easy way to design garden edits. For a more artificial ideas, try bottle art pieces, paint or bottle with flower design, patterns or bright shades. Place them plants or shelves or on the garden table. They add a pop of colors and like very stylish. Another creative ideas in bottle engine or bird feeders. With a little effort, you can turn a plastic bottle into a water dropper for bird or a seed holder. This not only decorates your garden but also invites birds and butterflies. You can also try vertical gardens with bottle bottles on a wooden frame, plant flowers in them and hang the frame on a wall. This is perfect for small space and makes a beautiful garden wall. Bottles are simple items, but they can be turned into many useful and beautiful crafts. By reusing bottle, you save money, reduce waste and